Hello guys, so we're gonna learn about place value. And later we're gonna see why I just wrote 63 on the screen. Well, let's just go to our introduction. Welcome to Pi Academy, where learning math is easy and fun. So why I wrote 63 here? Because we're learning about place value. Place value it's about the place of a number. For example, like 3 and 6. Yeah, just for example, 6 and 3. They mean something. So these two numbers mean something. So as we do it, we call this last area of the number the ones place. And this area right here, as we call the tens place. Okay, as place. Tens place and ones place. So now you know about tens place and ones place. So these two are familiar. So we're gonna make three or four parts in the next couple of videos. But we're gonna talk about only these. And then now the value of each one. The 6 is a value. It's a value of. It's a value of 60. And 3 is just a value of 3. As you guys say, 60 plus 3 equals 63. Exactly. So that's the value of weird. So this is place value part 1. So I hope you have a good day. Goodbye. And make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the share button and share to people who don't know about this. Well, anyways, bye.